Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Shambles. It's another big game for us today. We've got Aylesbury United at home. Should hopefully be a more winnable game. So our goal difference is looking quite good now, so hopefully we can just improve on that. Last week we won 8-0 away at AFC Dunstable, which was a really good result for us. Did really well for the goal difference. Aylesbury United are coming off the back of a 4-0 win against ENFIELD FC, that was our last video. They weren't that good, but that puts them in a lot of a better position now at the bottom of the table than they were before. Really hot day at Topfield today. Yeah, really lovely day. So we're starting to reach the end of the season now. We've only got 8 games left, 7 after this, only 3 more at home. So it's really getting into the running now. We just need to start getting more results on the board. But I think we're doing all we can, but it's more just on Leighton Town now. Hopefully they'll drop some more points today and some more going forward, but we're doing all we can, so not much what we can do about that.
There's quite a few Hitchins at my school. Lando's the most well known. Shit goalkeeping. They're going to see the ball.
Oh, you filthy boy! Half time at Topfield, 1-0 Hitchin. Not really much has happened after the goal. Just been a bit. We've had most of the chances, but we just haven't been able to convert them.
We had all the possession in that half. As you can tell, the second half's already started, but we're looking good. We're looking right. Leighton are losing, so hopefully that'll stay.
Yeah, on the second half, coming to town.
And the crowd goes mild.
It's a goal, it's 1-1. Aylesbury have scored on the break, another one we've conceded on the break. So the guys had a lot of time and space to have a shot. He shot, it's almost kind of rolled in. No real pace behind it, but we're in a bit of a difficult situation now. We need to get 3 points today, because especially considering Leighton are losing. But it's not a great start to the second half really.
Touch you.
How we get there on? Full time at Topfield, got the job done. 2 goals in the second half and a goal in the first half. First half wasn't great, as I said, but yeah, second half got a bit better, so we got our 2 goals. Looked really attacking, looked really promising for most of the second half. So my throat's a bit sore because I've been going mental, because Leighton's just come through, but Enfield have beaten Leighton 2-1, so that puts everything so much better and so much closer in our grasp for going towards and trying to win the league title. So I think if we win our game in hand on Tuesday night against Wellington City away, and we also get our points back for London Lions, then that means we'll go top literally on goal difference. We have like 9 or probably about more than 10 of a better goal difference now. So hopefully, yeah, just keep going from there, go top, try and extend our leads, and it puts everything into a much better perspective. And yeah, I'm stunned, honestly, can't believe it. And Leighton's star striker will miss 3 games because he got a straight red. So it's a brilliant day. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe. We will see you on Tuesday night.